Hi, in this video we are going to look at sentences using the word evari. Evari means whose. Whose car is that? Means adi evari karu. Here whose means evari. That means adi. Is means undi, but we don't use the meaning of this word in Telugu sentence. Whose class is that? Means adi evari classu. Or if you say classroom, the meaning of classroom is taragati gadi. Whose classroom is this? Means idi evari taragati gadi. Whose friend is he? Means atadu evari snehitudu. Here whose means evari, friend means snehitudu. Snehitudu is masculine gender. Snehituralu is feminine gender. He means atadu. Whose guitar is this? Means idi evari guitar. Whose is this? Means idi evaridi. Here whose means evari and di is the suffix. This means idi. Whose pencil is this? Means idi evari pencil. Whose school is this? Means idi evari badi. Or you can also say idi evari pathashala. Whose means evari, school means badi or pathashala. This means idi. And here we don't take the meaning of is. Is means undi. Whose shoes are those? Means avi evari bootlu. Here whose means evari, shoes means bootlu, those means avi. And no need to use the meaning of are. Are means unnayi. Whose students are you? Means మీరు ఎవరి విద్యార్థులు. Here whose means ఎవరి, students means విద్యార్థులు, you means మీరు, are means ఉన్నారు, but here we don't use the meaning of are in Telugu sentence. Whose teacher is he? Means ఈయన ఎవరి మాస్టారు. Here whose means ఎవరి, teacher means మాస్టారు, he means ఈయన. Whose turn is it? Means ఇది ఎవరి వంతు. Here whose means ఎవరి, turn means వంతు, it means ఇది. And here also we don't take the meaning of is. Is means undi, but here in this Telugu sentence we don't use that word.